Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to get Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Lot of TikTok user has been reporting to how to get Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Now the users to say how to get this filter on my TikTok account. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this brand new video, I will show you how to get Trickster voice filter on TikTok in iPhone and Android device. Now the first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android devices and latest versions to update your TikTok application. Once the TikTok is up to date, now simple thing is open it. After you can see also bottom side center plus icon. After that, tap and hold the circle buttons and you can easily capture the any video on TikTok. Once the TikTok video is successfully done, now simple thing is right hand side right icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. This all the things done. After you can see also right hand side edges audio editing options available. Now please make sure tap on it. In the audio editing, now find out the Trickster voice filter on your iPhone and Android device. Select the Trickster voice filter and you can easily apply on your video. But still sometimes lot of users to say Trickster voice filter not showing on my account. Now simple thing is latest versions to update your TikTok applications on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.